Alright, you guys, we have a Bobcat S185 here, and I'm going to show you an easy way to replace the alternator. So here's my old alternator, here's a new alternator, and I watched a lot of videos on YouTube which I did not like because it wasn't the easiest solution shown. A lot of them tell you got to take this apart, take this out. You know, it's a tight fit. It's hard to get this alternator out. You know, some people suggest you got to disconnect some of the hydraulic hoses, blah, blah, blah. But I found a way that you don't have to disconnect anything. So what you have to do is, we're going to lift the cabin. There is a way you can actually squeeze this alternator out without disconnecting anything. I'm going to show you how to put it back in. One thing you will have to do is loosen the bracket that puts the tension on the belt. So there's a bolt, a 10 millimeter. If you loosen that, and then we'll go through the front compartment to try to slide in that alternator. So this is the bracket that holds the alternator. Now make sure you tighten it back well, because I believe that holds the water pump. You can see there's water dripping, but this gets in our way, so we got to loosen it so it's out of our way. Okay, so our bracket is loose. Now we're gonna take our alternator. So it goes something like this. And this little crevice here, it fits up. No. It's gonna be like a Rubik's Cube, kind of trying to get it in. There we go. And we got it in. See, there it is. We got it in. Boom. Didn't have to remove anything, nothing. Now we just get our bolt this puppy back in, and go from there. So that was much easier than trying to remove all these hydraulic hoses and everything, which all the other videos on YouTube suggested, but this was way easier.